Hello, my name is Lisa Evans, and I'm your massage therapist. If you're active like me, then you've possibly injured your tailbone on a slope or fallen and received whiplash from a fall or sports. Massage therapy and a laser session can help you alleviate and heal the sprain and strain on your body. My telephone number is 781-963-2901, and I'm located at the Neck, Back, and Pain Relief Center in Raynham. I'm also a hypnotist for Dr. Petris' office. And if you've been feeling like you're in a rut or need to exchange some bad habits for some good habits, then I invite you to come in for a life guidance session. Don't be the forgotten promise to yourself this year. Let's have you come in and make you the director of your life and make this the happiest and healthiest year ever.